Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Pratham Chauhan and today I will teach you about HTML style, text formatting, quotation, comments and colors. Let's start with style. A style tag is used to add style on element. Basically it is a use for inline CSS. It is syntax contained CSS property. In this example, style tag is used with body tag. For the changing a background color, now you can see the property of a style tag is background color and value is RGB for the style for the sky blue color. Similar to the given p tag, then there are different properties are used for the different style tag like a background color, font family, font size, text, align, etc. Now you will see the output. There are different style are applied on related to that tag. In this output, background color of this is changed, text color is changed in this, font style will be changed, and font size is also changed in this text. And in this tag, font alignment is changed. Now we will move on to text formatting. Text formatting contains several tags element for the defining text with a special meaning. There are element list are bold text, important text, italic text, emphasize text, mark text, smaller text, delete text, insert text, subscribe text, subscription text, etc. Let's see an example of it so we will understand more. Now you can see each text contain different text and tag will gives the output according to it. Now let's see the output. First two text will show the text in a bold format because the bold and strong tag property. Strong tag will highlight text with the bold font. Next text gives the italic text. Because the EM tag which emphasize the text. Next tag is highlighted because of mark tag. It will mark the particular text which show highlighted text. Next tag is smaller text. It will show text in smaller format than regular size of it. Next tag is delete tag. So delete tag will show text in shrink line, which show it is not useful or deleted text. Insert tag will highlight text with the underline, which show it is inserted text in the particular paragraph or anywhere in the HTML page. Subtag defines the subscript of the tag. It appears high a character below the normal line. It's useful to define the formulas like H2O and many more. And next tag will sub tag. It will define superscript. It appears a half character above the normal line. It is also used in math formulas like 2 raised to 2 and many more other math formulas. Let's move on to our next tag, which is quotation. It defines the section that is quoted from another source. There are several different tags which we'll learn using example. Block quote tag show the text is quoted from the another source. Q tag will show the short quotation which showing the text in double quotation. ABBR tag defines abbreviation which show text in dotted underline. Address tag will show text in italic format. Side tag also similar to the address tag. It is used for defining the title or a creative work like a book, song, etc. Video tag is a standard for bidirectional overriding. It will override the current text in different direction. Now we will see an example of it. In this block code, this code is taken from this block. Now we will code in our HTML page. This Q tag will show this line in a quotation in this particular P tag. Now the ABBR tag, which will be abbreviation of the line, which will show it in dotted underline. Address tag, it will show this in a italic format because we will mention the address in this particular address tag. This side tag will define a creative work in a particular paragraph or anywhere in the HTML page. In this directional tag, this text will be go to right to left, and this text it will be go to left to right. Now we will see the output. Now you will see that here is code from the Google. This is not my code, so it will taken from the Google's blog. In this line, this text is a double quotation because of the small quote tag Q tag. This is the abbreviation tag because it is a in dotted underline. Now this is the address tag. It will show the text in a italic format, so we will simply understand it is the address. The site demo, this is the highlight of the any paragraph which show the anything creative work like a book, song, movie, many more. Now in this two line you will see text is go to left to right or right to left according to its tag. Now we will move on to the next topic. It is comment. Comment is a non-executable text in program. There is a only type of a syntax is single line and double line. It is used in both single line and double line both. Now we will see an example of it. In this quotation .html, I will write something but in comment, so it is not executable or not see anywhere in the HTML page. Now you will see there are end of the HTML page here, but after that I will write this, but it is not shown in here, so it is a commented. It is a not executable. Now let's move on to our next topic, which is colors. In the HTML, colors can be specified using its name. In the HTML, there are 4 different types to define a color: RGB, hex, SHL, SHLE. Now in the RGB, you will see the syntax. It is RGB, red, green and blue. Using this combination, you will define any color what you want. In this hex, it is defined with has tag. There are first 2 property for red color, second 2 for green, and last 2 for blue color. Now it is also a combination of red, green and blue. In HSL, it is a little bit different of these two. In HSL, use saturation and lightness of any color you will define. It is a difficult, not very used in HTML. And also HSLA. HSLA also similar to the HSL, but one more property is alpha. This HSLA and HSL are not more useful in HTML, but more used is RGB and hex. Now let us see an example of this color. with HTML color page, I will define there are 4 different types. In this, I will define this text with red color with the simple its name. In this, I will set its color with RGB value. After that, I will define it with hex. After that, HSL and HSLA. Now let's see. Now we will see its output. Now you can see that red color, green, purple, yellow. Now thank you everyone for watching me. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.